Welcome to my channel Focus Nature and Wildlife by AJ. The Mongolian Short Toed Lark is a small but striking bird native to the vast and open landscapes of Central Asia, particularly Mongolia and China. In terms of looks, the Mongolian Short Toed Lark is a medium-sized bird with a slender body and a short, slightly upturned bill. The plumage is a blend of earthy tones with a predominantly brownish streaked back that provides excellent camouflage in its dry and grassland habitats. Mongolian short-toed lark is an active ground-dwelling bird, often seen foraging or hopping across open fields, grasslands, and agricultural areas. The Mongolian short-toed lark is a migratory species traveling thousands of miles between its breeding and wintering grounds. It breeds in the steppes and semi-deserts of Mongolia, northern China, and parts of Kazakhstan during the warmer months. As the temperature drops and winter sets in, these larks migrate to more temperate regions, primarily in South Asia, including India and other parts of Southeast Asia. The diet of Mongolian short-toed larks is seeds and small insects. It forages on ground using its sharp bill to pick seeds from grasses and plants or to catch insects like beetles, ants, and grasshoppers.